Hey, what's up guys, it's your girl Kiana here and welcome back to another video on my channel. I'm back with another Boxycharm unboxing. You guys already know Boxycharm gifts me with 5 full price items for free. So I'm going to review them and try them on for you guys. So stay tuned. I promise next month I'm gonna be a little bit earlier. Like I feel like every month I get later and later. But obviously for the month of March, this month's theme is lucky for St. Patrick's Day. The first item in this box is Damn Girl Mascara by Too Faced. It says, this creamy mousse formula was developed with a special blend of whipped melting waxes that deliver an immediate full load of extreme volume without a heavy feel. Innovative polymers to keep lashes flexible while lifting, lengthening, and locking in 24 hours of smudge-proof, flake-resistant curl. And this goes for $28. Next in the box is Maven Rose Water Setting Spray. It says, mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. This is $22. Next in the box is this Lavish Wet Brush Cleaning System. It has a silicone scrubbing pad inside and you can easily remove makeup residue from cosmetic brushes. So this is the pad. And this is the soap. The price of this is $15. Next up in this box is by Cab Cosmetics, a hydrating lip oil. It says, say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy and hydrated lips. You know, I love my juicy lips. It says, your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable, juicy lips all day long. The price for this is $20. And last but not least is Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. It says this palette is filled with, let me open it up because I'm gonna actually try this on. It says this palette, ooh, it's pretty. Okay. This is the Ultra Buttery formula, sweeps on richly pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. And the price of this is $38. All right. I'm gonna quickly think of an eyeshadow look for you guys, and then I'm gonna come back on, and that's the next clip that you guys are gonna see. You know I keep it real with you guys. This is not my favorite at all. Like, of the previous videos and the mascaras that I've tried, this is not my favorite at all. Bad Gal Mascara by Benefit, that's good. What was the other one? Tarte Man Eater, that one's great. This one, Damn Girl by Too Faced, not my favorite. The brush, first of all, is very, very thick. It goes on clumpy. The brush feels dry itself. It doesn't feel like it's doing much to my lashes. My lashes, no. I wouldn't recommend, but it's not horrible, but I just wouldn't recommend. The eyeshadow, very, very pigmented. I love the colors, love how bright they are. Like I did an eyeshadow look that's very similar to this before, but oh wow, you know I'm not skilled at doing eyeshadow still to this day. But I feel like these are great. I would definitely recommend this. Let me try this rose water setting spray for you guys. I like the bottle. I love the color. This is supposed to hold for up to 16 hours. My ass is not going nowhere, but this is supposed to hold up to 16 hours. I love rose water setting spray. So definitely check this out, you guys, by Maven Beauty. And now the lip oil. I love this. Let me take off my lip gloss first. Hold up. How cute is this packaging? It's so cute. All right. Smells so good. Oh, I love things that smell so good. It reminds me of that other lip oil. I'm gonna tag my other Boxycharm unboxing above, but that other lip oil I still use to this day. This one is just as good. I would recommend this one too. $20. And this is in the color flavor Blue Raspberry. Tastes just like Blue Raspberry too. And on to the last and final. The wet brush cleaning system. I use this brush here. All right, so I wet it a little bit. And now I'm gonna, I assume, oh wait, it tells me, wet brush with water and then swirl onto the soap, create a lather, and then sweep brush back and forth on the silicone pad to remove makeup, and then rinse brush with water, allow it to air dry and drain, and yada yada. All right, we're gonna do this. So, look at that, ew. And then, I just wanted to show you guys here on the silicone pad. I definitely recommend that to take on the go with you guys, especially if you're traveling. That wraps up this month's Boxycharm unboxing. If you guys like to see more videos like these, please make sure you subscribe down below. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish washing the rest of my brushes. See you in the next one. Bye.